Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am organizing my pantry and you guys will see that it was desperately needing to be done. For this organization project, I am using just Dollar Tree bins, baskets, glass jars. Everything in this video is from Dollar Tree, which makes this organization project super affordable. I also used a website called TOPCASHBACK to order all of my Dollar Tree organization things from because I save tons of money by doing it this way. So it's really easy to sign up. All you have to do is click the link that I'll have in the description box below and create an account. And then in the search bar, you'll type in the store that you want to shop through. And then you can scroll through and shop for the things that you need. So for instance, in this video, I'm going to be using these white baskets right here. Anytime I purchase these or anything else, I get cash back, which saves me money. TOPCASHBACK has over 4,000 retailers like Dollar General, Walmart, Target, Amazon to choose from and shop through. And TOPCASHBACK also offers 100% of commissions back to members. And there's no minimum for payout. And you also get a $10 sign-up bonus upon spending $25. The last thing is you will also receive $5 for each referral. So to check out TOPCASHBACK for yourselves, then go to the link that I'll have in the description box below and click through that link to then set up your account and shop away. These are the things that I'm going to use to organize my pantry. All of this stuff is from Dollar Tree. They have all kinds of glass stuff that I was really excited to see. These are jars with jar lids. These are just kind of some square. I really like these. We have a couple of them already in our house that we use for various things, but got a bunch of those. These ones are like those suction lids. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with any of this yet. I thought these might be really cute to put like some bags of pirate's booty, just some snacky stuff in there. These are some bigger baskets, and these ones are also a little bit just heavier duty. And then these ones I thought were really cool. They are, I guess you could put like utensils in them. You could do all kinds of things with these, and they have a little grippy on the bottom. But I was thinking that maybe I could just like stack some granola bars, or when Oakley gets older, you could like put like the pouches of baby food in there. This is a very overwhelming amount of food, I will be honest. Some of it, you know, is expired. But when we moved into our new house, we just threw everything into the pantry, unorganized, and, you know, over a month later, how long has it been? It's been a while since we've moved here. We still hadn't organized it. So, as I was pulling everything out of the pantry, I was kind of organizing it as I pulled things out. So like here is vinegars, jars, pasta sauce, peanut butters. Over here is like tea. There is boxes and cereals up there. I just tried to keep things as organized as possible, but also we have a lot of duplicate things. So we have 2 of these boxes of macaroni and cheese. We can only get this at Costco, and so whenever we do get the chance to go, we stock up because this is something we go through frequently and pretty fast. So we have a couple of these. We have like obviously tons of peanut butter. We have just a lot of bulk and extras of things. And so I'm gonna put what we are gonna use in the pantry, and then we have our basement and we have some shelving units down there that I will put the duplicates and extras of down there for just backups.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer when we soar away among the clouds.
So here is the final pantry. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out, and I wanted to give you guys a really quick tour of everything that's in here and how I kind of did things. So up here in the top corner is cereals and pancake mix. There's another pancake mix down there, or back there. And then this is just banana chips and some rice. In this basket is a bunch of crackers and cookies, just boxed things. Putting things in baskets not only makes things look nicer to the eye when you first look at it, but it also is just easy because I can categorize things and just pull it out and I know exactly what's in there. Here's just a little random carton of oatmeal. I'm probably gonna get another jar, I just didn't have one big enough. And then in this basket is just a whole bunch of chips. So that was the first shelf. Then the second shelf, this is a basket of just a bunch of random spices. And then these are my Trader Joe's spices. I really like how they look. I like the containers. And then I really like, this is not from the Dollar Tree, but I really like how they're all displayed. And then back here I have just some random things that I pulled out of like the bags, because those bags are just super hard to organize. So I took everything out of the bags and then I just put them in these little glass jars. So back here I have, I think this is Andrew's organic sugar for his sweet tea. And then this one is some quinoa, some tricolored quinoa. And then in these drawers with the lids that kind of, they snap like this. This is brown sugar. And then back there's some chocolate chips. These are chia seeds, and then these are some chocolate melting wafers. And then this basket is all just a whole bunch of different teas. The third shelf, this is just a basket of pasta. This is all of Emerson's macaroni and cheese. And then I really like how this turned out. This is kind of like the snack station. So these are just some little cups of mandarin oranges for Emerson. This is my Ningxia Red, which is just an antioxidant kind of supplement drink. Then we have Lara bars, and then we have these Nature's Bakery fig bars that we get from Costco. And I think this is really easy. You see what you have, you can just grab one out and go out the door. And I really like these containers, guys. I think I might have to go back and get a bunch more to use around the rest of my house. Down here, we use this pretty frequently, so I wanted to have it easy to access. But then back here is kind of a miscellaneous basket, but it has a lot to do with baking. So here's like baking soda, here's some coconut oil, baking powder, salt, brewer's yeast. Oh, that's brewer's yeast. This is nutritional yeast. This is a coconut cooking oil spray, and then this is some honey. So this is kind of random, but also similarly themed. This is another sort of random basket. There's some olive oil, there's vinegars in here, balsamic vinegar. This is molasses and syrups, and then just a couple like random jars of things. But for the most part, this is like oils and vinegars. And then this is all canned goods. So there's some soups in there, cans of black beans, and some other vegetables, but this one is just canned goods. So those are all of the shelves. Down here on the bottom, I feel like this space could be utilized a little bit better if I could like utilize the vertical space, but for now we didn't really need the extra room, so this works fine. I thought these baskets were really cute for Emerson's sake. They're on her level, she can come in here and grab one, we'll obviously supervise how many of these she gets, but if she wants to come in here and get a snack, she can come and pick one out, pick a fruit snack out, or a Pirate's Booty. These are just like these little cheese puff snacks. Then back here are my LaCroix. I drink one of these pretty much every single day as like kind of a treat. And then this is just an extra bottle of the Ningxia Red, similar to those packets. Well, it's the exact same thing, it's just in a bottle form. And then I really couldn't find a better place for these. I might put them in the canned goods basket, but for now, like, there's so much space on the floor, I don't really care because it's sealed and all that stuff. So these are just some extra jars of pasta sauce. And then this is a giant bag of basmati rice. And so I'm gonna get a like airtight container to pour all of that into. It's not been opened yet, but I wanna pour all of that into like an airtight container and keep it right here with like a scoop in it. But for now, I just put it there. And then this is like a really big bag of quinoa. And I want to do something similar with that as well. Maybe just a big jar for that. But yeah, that is the pantry, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this pantry transformation. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already, so that you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. And don't forget to check out TOPCASHBACK and use the link that I have in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.